One of the silent battles that has been going on since the beginning of this political term in February is centered around the devolution of powers to Kampala's divisional mayors. They accuse KCCA's technical wing of usurping their powers to effectively deliver services. This touchy subject led to city councillors convening a special session earlier this year where they agreed that their divisions must be accorded roles and powers.
The KCC Act is very clear that the division will be the Department of Finance. For us here, we don't have it. It is a matter of have a financial operation in the division.
NTV has learned that this formed part of the discussion at last evening's meeting between President Museveni and KCCA leaders at State House Entebbe.
The president was very supportive, more than supportive. He said that, look, we cannot take away power from the people who are closer. If there are services that these people need, then we must give it to them. And he tasked His Excellency the Vice President to spearhead the discussions that are going to culminate into the final resolution.
Machindia Division Mayor Ali Kasiria lists some of the roles that can be devolved.
Drainage, garbage collection, even garbage collection. Fuel, you have to go to the authority.
KCCA reportedly demanded an increase in its budget, asking for 2 trillion shillings in the next financial year to be able to effectively develop and run the city. According to sources, the president was in support of the increase.
If we can only get that 2 trillion as part of what is collected nationally, it will be able to help KCCA administration and management to realize the goals and objectives of transforming the people of Kampala. And this, the president was all positive.
The meeting also discussed the matter of markets in the city if order is to be restored.
We took cognizance of the fact that we have got markets, but some of these markets do not have adequate facilities. And it is the role of government to go ahead and give us more facilitation, more funding to ensure that we provide workspaces for the ever-increasing population of the people in Kampala.
The Minister for Kampala, Betty Kamya, recently announced that hawkers must leave the streets and that there would be allocated space in which to do their business.